Good morning, my students. Today we have a new sound. Okay, so our learning objectives, we are going to identify the new sound. Then we are going to recognize the sound. Then we are going to write the sound in 4 lines. Then we are going to blend and segment sounds to read words. Okay, now my students, I want you to sing the sound song. Yes, with the actions, please. Okay, now let me introduce the new sound for you. Look at this picture. One day, Ahmed and his brother Omar and Amira went outside their home. Ahmed said to his brother and sister, "Look, there is a rainbow up on the sky." Amira was very happy. She said, "Oh, I'm under the umbrella." Omar said, "I like my umbrella." So today we have the sound up. We have the sound up, umbrella, under, up, up. Look at the action. Under. Okay, now let's see. Look, listen and repeat. Listen to these words and repeat, please. Listen.
Unit 4, recording 4.8. Listen and chant.
Sorry.
Unit 4, recording 4.7. Look, listen and repeat. Umbrella.
Umbrella, yeah?
Under.
Under,
Up.
up. Okay, now listen and chant.
Unit 4, recording 4.8. Listen and chant.
Up, umbrella. Up, under. Up, up.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Unit 4, recording 4.9. Now you chant.
Up, up, umbrella. Up, up, under. Up, up, up. Okay, so this is up. This is what? Up.
Unit 4.
Okay, my students. Now let's recognize the sound in words. Listen and repeat. Circle up. Look at this. Where is the doll? It's under. Well done. So, where is the sound up here in the word under? Can you make a circle for it? Yes, very good. Okay, and what about this? Where is the sound up? Yeah, very good. The first one is up. Now look at this arrow. It goes up, up. Very good. So where is the sound up? Yeah, very good. And here, can you recognize the sound up? Where is the sound up? Yes? Great. Now look at this. What is it? Umbrella. Ah, umbrella. So the first sound is ah. Yes? And here, where is the sound ah? Is this ah? No. Is this ah? Yes. So this is the sound ah. Now listen and repeat.
Unit 4, recording 4.10. Listen and repeat. Circle up. 1. Under. 2. Up. 3. Umbrella.
Okay?
Unit.
Now, my students, let's see how can we write the sound up, my students? From which line? From line number 2. Great. Till line number 3. Like this. Down, round, up, 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 up. Oh. Let's write it again. Okay. Down, round, up, down, like this, then flick, up, again, down, up, down, flick, up. Okay, can you write it in your book? You have to trace first this up here, and then you are going to write it. Start from the dot. Okay?
Unit 4.
Now
Recording
listen and
4.11.
repeat.
Listen and repeat.
Okay?
Follow and complete. 1.
Just a minute. Okay, my students, so here we are going to listen and repeat, follow and complete. Look at this. What's this? Umbrella. Well done. Look at this boy. He's looking up. Yeah. And look at this. Where is the book? Under the bed. Very good. Now listen and repeat the word. Then you are going to follow the line and write the sound up. Okay?
Listen and repeat. Unit 4. Recording 4.10. Listen and repeat. Circle up. 1. Under. Listen and repeat. Follow and complete. 1. Ah. Umbrella. Ah. Umbrella. 2. Ah. Up. Ah. Up. 3. 3. Ah. Under. Ah. Under.
Okay, so here we have under. Here we have up. Okay, and here we have under. Yes, so we are going to write the sound up like this. Okay, and here also number 2, here we have up, so you are going to write the sound up like this. Okay, and here under, up, up, under. Okay, now let's blend these words. A, nut. Very good. And here we have the picture for the nut. Okay, now let's see the second word. A, g, rug. Very good. And this is rug. Now, can you do this with task number 6? Listen, follow, and say. Then write. Look here, number 1. A, rug. And here you are going to write the sound, the word rug. And here what do we have? Huh? B, a, n, bun. Very good. And here this is bun. Okay. And then we have n, a, t, nut. Okay. Listen to these words.
Unit 4, recording 4.11. Unit 4, recording 4.12. Listen, follow, and say. Right. 1.
R,
A,
g, g,
rug.
rug.
2. B, a, n, bun. 3. N, a, t, nut.
Okay, so b, up, bun. So here you are gonna to write the word bun, and here nut. Okay, my
Unit
students.
4.
Now let's draw something that is related to our lesson for today. Can you draw nut? Yes, my students. Very good. Now I want you to draw umbrella. Umbrella. Very good. Great. So that's all for today. Goodbye.